Okay, very good. And what's the other one? Do you know the other one with the mouse?
The Lion and the Mouse. Once there was a mouse who happened to run into a lion who caught the mouse and was just about to eat him. When the mouse fed the lion to let him go. Please, if you let me go, I shall be forever. The mouse was so small and pitiful as the lion laughed. What a tiny mouse. And so the lion let the mouse go. Well, not long after, the lion was caught in a net of strong rope at the hunters had put up. He roared and roared, and guess who heard him? The mouse. Well, Mr. Lion, said the mouse, when you laughed at how small I was, I guess you had no idea that someday I could help you. And with that, the mouse gnawed through the rope and set the lion free. The moral is that sometimes the most powerful people owe everything to the smallest and the weakest.
Wow, very good, Bradley.